Hello everyone, and I'm Kingman1987, and for my first playthrough on my channel, I'm going to be playing World of Warships. Now, I like this game in particular because I've always been interested in World War II era and all the battleships and whatnot that they use in World War II, so I just thought I'd do a little playthrough of this, well, because I can, and see if anyone watches it. It's just a little experiment, so let's play. Let me turn it down. I don't know how loud that's gonna be. That better. Okay. I want you guys to see my ships, so let me load up first of all. Now I don't know when. I'm recording this a couple of days before Christmas, or about a week before Christmas, so I don't know when this might be up for any of my 10 people who watch my channel, but who knows, maybe I'll get a couple views on this one video. So I'm gonna make this kind of short video. I'm only probably gonna do maybe 2 battles, or well, maybe 1 battle. Just depends on what my time looks like. So we're just gonna do it as a co-op battle. Just create division. Alright. Just my ship, South Carolina. Its reload time is okay, I guess, but overall it has lots of health. And it looks pretty cool too, so yeah, look at that. Alright, so further ado, let's keep going. Now I'm playing with bots, so I'm more than likely not gonna die at all. Not because I'm not embarrassed to die, but just because it's a little experiment video and I don't feel like having to deal with anyone who plays on this. Alright, loading up. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna probably make this maybe a 7, maybe 8-minute video, not gonna be very long. Can I like move this out of the way? Okay, put it up here. Okay, then so let it load up. This is a beautiful game, by the way. I love the graphics and realism for a video game, but overall I just like it because it has battleships and warships. Alright, jump in if it'll let me. Alright, here we go. Here it is. Alright, so what I normally always do is I just go ahead and put the motor all the way up.
Good luck, everyone.
Oh, okay.
It's a go.
Alright, so it should be a pretty simple little battle. Not much. These ships that I use, what are they called? Yeah, battleships. They go really slow, but they pack a lot of punch. What are you shooting at? I don't know which way I should go. Should I go around here or go into here? I don't know. I'll just go through here.
Autopilot
It's
mode
not like
enabled.
What are you shooting at?
Let's give them a hard time. Stone the crows. Good luck and fair seas.
So as we move in, we already got A's we started off with. Now we should have some people coming up through this little canyon thing. H2. H and probably know something I don't. Alright. Get moving on in here. Autopilot. Now, probably see something I can't. Or he's just being stupid. Shooting at nothing. Alright, so we head in. I don't know how everyone's Christmas is going, but mine's going fairly decent. And Christmas is my favorite time of the year. And it's not because what you think.
Autopilot mode
Oh, here we
disabled.
go. Bogey up here. Can I get that? Where's he shooting? Is he coming towards me? Yep, alright. Ooh, good hit. Alright, move up here. Try to tilt it a little bit, maybe. Get my side weapons on them. And the reload time for this ship is not the best thing ever. But it's shells pack a punch. That's all I can say. Okay, all of them hit. Ooh, perfect hit. Ooh, that's some damage. Alright. Just going through these. Yeah, cover me, buddy. And he's going down. Very nice. Alright. Take out the little destroyer right here. He's gonna die quick. Got him. And now we're gonna aim for these ships, and he's gonna die before I think I can reload to get him. All my guns reload. Watch out for this mountain. Wait for it. Get him. Oh, missed him. Get him though. Ooh, perfect hit right there. Alright, sort of turn it. Give it a sec. Watch out for this mountain. You hear someone in the background, that's my stepdad being stupid. Let's stop, we can take these hits. It's about to go down anyway. Alright. Turn it a little bit. Come on, reload. Guns. Set them on fire. Alright, someone's gonna take him down before I can use reload. Or what? Can I get him? Are you kidding me? That was might. That's retarded. It's one thing I don't like about this game. That you waste your ammo on that someone else takes your kill. But everything else I'm fine with. Get a little close. Reload. Head up here. Launch the rest of them. Let's go. So I'm pretty excited because tomorrow night I'm gonna get to see Star Wars: The Force Awakens. And I've been waiting ever since the first trailer came out to see it. I'm pretty excited about that. Sadly, I'm not gonna see it in 3D, but I might go see it again for 3D. Can we get them? Even assist. Nah, he's dead. There's 2 ships left. coming. Hold on. If I can get my ship back up and running. I took 0 damage from that. I'm surprised. Get autopilot. Just capture B. Let's go for, I don't know. Slow down. Just full backwards. Why not? Let's just go.
Autopilot mode enabled.
There we go, it's better. That's perfect, alright. Full speed ahead. We just wait now, they're probably gonna kill him by the time I get over there. Ooh. Doesn't really matter, I got this experiment video out. Another thing I do say, I love the soundtrack in this game. It's hot. And the graphics are great. To say that much. I used to play like at this position, but then I realized it's better to play here so you can get like a full 360 view of your ship. Now they're probably going to destroy on top before I can get over there.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Alright, yeah, if I can get over there. He's gonna die quick. Get our entire team on him. Okay, now he's probably gonna die fairly quick. Oh my lord, it's so slow, but they're so good. If I just get one shot on him, I'm gonna be happy. But maybe I will get a shot at him, I'm not sure.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Turn the corner here. So this battle's almost over, and this video went longer than I thought it. Well, longer than I wanted it to, but
Let's get it done.
about 13 minutes. I did not want to make it this long. And stupid rocks. Yeah, there it goes. Probably got like 100 XP maybe. Yeah. Well, so it's pretty good. And this is all I had time for today. So if you stayed for 15 minutes of me jambling on and playing World of Warships, congratulations. Now I might do more of these videos on different games maybe, but I will certainly come back to World of Warships.